Good morning, all of you. Hello. Hello.
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
This chapter is coming in tomorrow's Sunday test. I'll just finish,
Yes, ma'am.
then we can revise it.
How many chapters?
Only one. I sent the portion yesterday. I think I sent in all the sections. Only one chapter is coming.
Bond of love.
Yeah. Sif bond of, Sif bond of love. So, what kind of tricks? What kind of tricks does Bruno know?
He
I'm
knows
wrestling
to hold
the
us
Wait. Anuj, shall I
point.
answer? Anuj,
the Bruno knows to box. He knows to walk. He knows to hold a stick and also aim it as a gun.
he knew how to aim the gun as a stick, so he was able to understand human language because
Ma'am,
he was
boxing.
kept. Huh? Voice is clear.
Ma'am, boxing and wrestling.
Yes, boxing and wrestling. So he knew boxing, wrestling. He knew how to use the stick as a gun, and also if someone told him, "Baba, where is the baby?" then he would take a stick and he would start swinging, cradle. Cradled as a verb, it means to swing from one side to the other. Cradle as a noun, it means palna, huh? That a small bed which swings from one side to the other. But cradle as a verb means to swing from one end to the other. So this baby bear Baba, he also knew how to cradle a baby. And where did he keep his baby? Who will answer?
Ma'am,
Beside
may I?
the
Okay, Pragya, answer.
I'm in the straw bed.
Yes, uh, he uh, he considered that piece of wood as a real baby. He took lot of care. He took lot of care of it. And where did he keep this baby? He kept it hidden, concealed. What is the meaning of concealed? I told you yesterday.
to hide.
To hide.
Concealed means to hide. So he used to hide this baby in the straw bed. But because of the tenant's children, poor Bruno. But when Bruno was growing up, when he became an adult, then he had to be kept in chains. When he was a small child, he was left free. But when he became an adult, then because of the tenant's children, he had to be kept in chains. And uh, later on, many friends started advising them to put Bruno in the zoo. Yesterday the class was disturbed, that is why I'm repeating it. So many of the friends advised the family, the narrator's family, to send Bruno to the zoo. And it's also very inconvenient to keep such a big animal in the house. So they consented, and they got the permission from the curator of the zoo. Curator means the caretaker of the zoo. Curator, the in charge of the zoo, person in charge of the zoo. So curator, first they had to take up the permission from the curator, क्योंकि ये जू जो है वो गवर्नमेंट प्रॉपर्टी होता है, तो अपने मन से कोई कुछ नहीं कर सकता है, तो पहले जो है क्यूरेटर से कंसेंट लेना पड़ा. And later on, the curator gave his consent, and then Bruno was transferred to the zoo. What is the meaning of tame? T-A-M-E?
Pet.
Yes,
Pet.
pet. Tame means pet. Tame bear. So, and everyone in the family missed him greatly. Why? Because he was there in the family for so many years. All of a sudden, he was transferred to the zoo, and everyone in the family, we all missed him greatly. But in a sense, we were relieved. They missed, but they were relaxed also. It was so troublesome to keep such a big animal, so they missed him, but they were relaxed. But who was the person who missed Bruno the most? Who was the person who
That
The narrator's wife.
Yes, the narrator's wife. Inconsolable. Inconsolable means who cannot be consoled. Inconsolable means who cannot be consoled. Who cannot be consoled. Console means, what is the meaning of console? Console means to make someone calm, किसी को शांत करना, किसी को सांत्वना देना. Console. So, inconsolable means it was very difficult to calm down the narrator's wife. She could not be calmed down. She was very upset. She was very upset. It was difficult to calm her. Inconsolable, who cannot be consoled. She wept and fretted. Fretted means worried. What's the meaning of fretted? Is it given? हाँ दिया हुआ. Fretted means worried. It's given over here. Fretted, worried. So fretted means worried. Uh, the person who was worried the most was the narrator's wife. She refused to eat anything, and she wrote so many letters to the curator regarding the well-being of Baba. बाबा ठीक से रहता है कि नहीं, बहुत सारी चिट्ठियां उन्होंने क्यूरेटर को लिखा. And whoever visited Mysore, they were asked to go and see Baba and tell them how he was doing in the zoo. Uh, what was Bruno's condition in the zoo? What was Bruno's condition? Was he happy? Was he happy
No,
in
ma'am.
the
He
zoo?
was sad and
No, ma'am.
also he didn't eat things.
Yes, he refused to eat things. He had grown very thin and sad. वो उदास भी था. जू में ब्रूनो को बिल्कुल मन नहीं लगता था. So animals, this story tells us that even animals have feelings. It is not that only human beings have feelings. Animals also have feelings. And Bruno was very sad. He became very thin. He was also worrying for 3 months. Restrain means restrain.
Stop.
Restrain. Restrain.
Stop.
Stop. Restrain means stop. 3 महीना तक narrator was able to stop his wife from visiting Mysore. But then one day she said to her husband that I will go to Mysore to see Baba. If you don't take me by car, I will go myself by bus. So the narrator took her by car. Friends had conjectured. Conjecture means, what is the meaning of conjecture?
Guessing.
Yes, guess. So what did the friends guess? That the bear would not recognize her. फ्रेंड्स ने बोला कि अब तो वो भूल चुका होगा सबको, ऐसा फ्रेंड्स ने कहा था, गेस किया था, क्योंकि उनको लगता था कि जानवरों के पास उतनी अच्छी मेमोरी नहीं होती थी. हाँ, मेनी पीपल आर ऑफ द ओपिनियन दैट एनिमल्स डोंट हैव गुड मेमोरी, बट दिस notion also proved false, because Bruno could recognize the narrator's wife from a distance, from some yards, बहुत दूरी पर ही, कुछ यार्ड्स के दूरी से ही ब्रूनो ने नरेटर की वाइफ को पहचान लिया. So even animals have good memory. Baba saw her and recognized her. He howled with happiness. How did he express his happiness? अपना खुशी कैसे जाहिर किया ब्रूनो ने? What did he do?
He stand his head.
हाँ, Akash? Akash, how did he express his happiness?
He stand by his head.
He stood on his head. Ulta. He stood up. There are different ways in which animals express their happiness. Like dogs, they express their happiness by licking someone. Huh? And this bear, he expressed his happiness by standing upside down, by standing on his head. And for the next 3 hours, he would not leave that cage. The narrator's wife had taken many eatables and drinks with her, tea, lemonade, cakes, ice cream and what not. बहुत सारा खाना वो ब्रूनो के लिए लेकर गई थी. And closing time came and narrator's wife cried bitterly. Even the hardened curator and the keepers, all the staff of the zoo, the curator, the keepers, all staff were very sad. All the staff were very sad to see this sad scene where the narrator's wife and Bruno, they cried for each other. They felt depressed. As for me, I had reconciled myself. Now narrator knows what is going to happen. He had adjusted himself to the new situation. What was going to happen? Oh please sir, she asked the curator. What did the narrator's wife ask the curator? Hello, my voice is clear? Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what did the
Yes,
narrator's
ma'am.
wife ask the curator? Curator से क्या पूछा उसने?
She asked the curator if she could take Baba again.
Yes. Now the narrator's wife wanted Baba back in her house. Narrator's wife wanted the bear back in her house. तो उसने curator से पूछा, now I want my bear back. Hesitantly he answered, madam, he belongs to the zoo and is government property. Now the bear had become government property. Now he had to get permission from the higher authority. I cannot give away government property, but if my boss, the superintendent at Bangalore, agrees, certainly you may have him back. So the curator has to take permission from the superintendent, his boss, because now the Bruno has become government property. देयर फॉलोड द रिटर्न जर्नी. कोई समय नहीं वेस्ट किया नरेटर की वाइफ ने. वो तुरंत बैंगलोर चली गई सुपरिंटेंडेंट से परमिशन लेने के लिए. विजिट टू द सुपरिंटेंडेंट्स बंगला. अ टीयरफुल प्लीडिंग. प्लीडिंग मीन्स रिक्वेस्टिंग. प्लीड मीन्स याचना करना. टू रिक्वेस्ट. टीयरफुल मीन्स व्हाट? विथ टीयर्स इन आईज. आंसू भरे आंखों से नरेटर की वाइफ ने सुपरिंटेंडेंट को रिक्वेस्ट किया. टीयरफुल प्लीडिंग मीन्स with tears in her eyes she requested the superintendent to give back Bruno to her. Baba and I are both fretting for each other. She said that both of us are worrying for each other. Will you please give him back to me? He was a kind-hearted man and consented. What kind of person was the superintendent?
He was kind-hearted.
Yes, he was very kind-hearted and he agreed. He consented. Consented means agreed. Consent मतलब agree करना, राजी हो जाना. Consented. He agreed to give Bruno back to the narrator's family. Not only that, but he wrote to the curator You can see the picture. Narrator की wife ने कितना सारा खाना ब्रूनो के लिए वो ले गई थी. And Bruno is just sitting at the edge of the cage uh, for the next 3 hours. 3 hours, both of them sat together. The superintendent was very helpful fellow. He also gave them a cage for transporting the bear to Bangalore. उसने और एक फेवर किया. They gave them the cage also for transporting the bear to Bangalore. Back we went to Mysore again and armed with the superintendent's letter. Again, she went to Mysore again, armed with. Armed with here means along with the superintendent's letter. Baba was driven into a small cage and hoisted on the top of the car. Here, hoisted means lifted. Baba was Baba is such a huge animal. Can he be made to sit inside the car? No, it is he cannot sit in the car. So he was made to sit on the top of the car. The cage was tied securely and a slow and careful return. And the car had to be driven very slowly and carefully because such a heavy animal was there on the top. Slow and careful return to Bangalore was accomplished. Accomplished means achieved. So the journey was successful. Once home, a squad. Squad means group. Squad is a collective noun. Squad means group. Group of coolies were engaged for special work in our compound. An island was made for Baba. Now Baba had become an adult. He could not be kept in the house. So special home was made for Baba. And what was that special home? बाबा के लिए एक आइलैंड बनाया गया. It was 20 feet long and 15 feet wide. It was the length and breadth of the island. 20 feet was the length and 15 feet was the width island, and it was surrounded by a dry pit or moat. Dry pit or moat, 6 feet wide and 7 feet deep. It was surrounded by a ditch. चारों तरफ जो है वो गड्ढा था. It was surrounded by a dry pit or moat. What was the length and breadth of the ditch? It was 6 feet wide and 7 feet deep. A wooden box that housed fowls was brought and put on the island for Baba to sleep at night. And what was Baba's bed? Wooden box. Wooden box became his bed. बड़ा सा एक वुडन बॉक्स था जिसमें पहले जो है फाउल्स को रखा जाता था. फाउल इज अ बर्ड. नो द मीनिंग ऑफ फाउल? FOWL, फाउल. फाउल इज अ काइंड ऑफ बर्ड. तो एक समय में एक बड़ा सा बक्सा था जिसमें पक्षियों को रखा जाता था. बाद में जो है इसको उस आइलैंड पे डाल दिया गया ब्रूनो के. वो ब्रूनो का बेड बन गया. So the wooden box became Bruno's bed and put on the island for Baba to sleep at night. And what was placed on the bed? Bruno cannot be made to sleep on the hard bed. So straw was placed inside to keep him warm and his baby. The gnarled stump. Gnarled matlab twisted, टेढ़ा मेढ़ा. Gnarled means twisted. Twisted stump. Stump is the piece of wood. Along with his gun, the piece of bamboo, both of which had been sentimentally preserved. Sentimentally means what? What is the meaning of sentiment? बताओ.
Bhavana.
भावना, इमोशंस। तो बाबा के सारे सामान को जो है अच्छे से रखा गया, उसका, उसके जितने भी खिलौने खिलौने थे, उसका स्टम्प which he used as the baby, then his piece of wood that he used as a gun, all his toys were kept very carefully. And once he was transported on the island, special island was made for him. uh, a ditch was dug all around, a ditch was dug all around, and then he was given a bed. The bed was a wooden box, a big wooden box was his bed, and on the wooden box straws were placed to keep him warm, and all his toys were also transported on the island. Toys, that is the piece of wood which he used as a gun, the wood that he used as a baby, the piece of bamboo which had been sentimentally preserved since he had been sent away to the zoo, were put back for him to play with. In a few days, the coolies hoisted the cage on the island. Then the coolies put the cage on the island and Baba was released. फिर बाबा को जो है पिंजड़े से आजाद कर दिया गया, आइलैंड पे डाल दिया गया. He was delighted standing on his hind legs. Hind legs means back legs. Baba was also very happy in his new home. Back legs. He was very happy, delighted. Delighted means what? Delighted means?
Happy.
Yes, happy. He was very happy in the new house, his island. My wife spent hours sitting on a chair there while he sat on her lap. And the wife would also go to the island. Wife spent hours sitting on a chair there on the island while he sat on her lap. He was 15 months old and pretty heavy too. So, how old was Baba now? 15 months old. Bears have short lifespan, 15 months old and pretty heavy too. This, the way my wife reaches the island and leaves it is interesting. आइलैंड के चारों तरफ जो है वो डिच है, मोट है, तो वो पहुंचती कैसे है आइलैंड पे? She reaches there with the help of a rope. I've tied a rope to the overhanging branch of a mango tree with a loop at its end. Putting one foot in the loop, she kicks off with the other to bridge the 6-foot gap that constitutes the width of the surrounding pit. So, how does she travels that pit? With the help of the rope. One end of the rope is put on the branch of a mango tree. चारों तरफ, आइलैंड के चारों तरफ गड्ढा है, तो नैरेटर की वाइफ आइलैंड तक पहुंचती कैसे है ब्रूनो के पास? That is with the help of the rope. There is a overhanging, there is a rope, and where is the rope tied? In the branch of mango tree with a loop at its end, putting one foot in the loop. What does she do? One foot she puts in the loop, and the other, with the other she kicks off with the other, and to bridge the 6-foot gap that constitutes the width of the surrounding pit. So the narrator's wife reaches the island with the help of the rope. The return journey is made the same way. जैसे वो आइलैंड तक पहुंचती है रस्सी के सहारे झूल कर, एक पैर को वो फंदे में डालती है. लूप मतलब फंदा. एक पैर को फंदे में डालती है, दूसरे पैर से जोर से किक करती है. And 6-foot gap is not much. She covers that gap, and then return journey also the same way. But who can say now that a sloth bear has no sense of affection? So what does this story prove to us? That bears also have sense of affection. Bears also have love for people, no memory. दे हैव मेमोरी. अब ये कोई नहीं कह सकता है कि बियर्स का याददाश्त कमजोर होता है. यू कैन नॉट से दैट. And no individual characteristics. He has his own characteristics. So this story proves us that animals also have love, animals have a sharp memory, and animals also have characteristics. उनके पास भी अपने गुण होते हैं. So this story is written by Kenneth Anderson. Okay. Any doubts? All of you have understood the story? Hello.
And what is the name of the writer?
Kenneth Anderson. Kenneth Anderson. Kenneth Anderson. This is the name of the writer. So this is basically about the story is about a bear who was kept as a pet in the house, and how the bear becomes attached to the family. And there is a brief period of separation. After that, again, in the end, they get united. Which accident took place with Bruno for the second time?
Bruno
Bruno,
in the car oil.
Akash Kumar, answer karo. Akash.
Bruno
Akash?
drink
Yes.
of
What did he drink? What did he drink?
ma'am car diesel.
Yes, very good. And what was its effect?
Nothing, ma'am.
Nothing. First accident, when he met with accident for the first time, at that time he was paralyzed. The first time he met with the accident, that is when he ate barium carbonate, which the narrator had put in the library to kill the mice. At that time he became paralyzed, and his condition also became critical. He started vomiting, and he could not move on his legs. He started breathing heavily. He became very weak. But immediately he was taken to the veterinary doctor. The veterinary doctor gave him a injection. फर्स्ट टाइम इवन द इंजेक्शन डिड नॉट वर्क. पहला जो इंजेक्शन दिया गया ब्रूनो को, उससे उसकी हालत नहीं सुधरी. द सेकेंड टाइम व्हेन ब्रूनो वाज अगेन गिवन इंजेक्शन, द सेकेंड टाइम हिज कंडीशन इम्प्रूव्ड, and then he gradually became well, and he had a very, after the injection, immediately he ate a lot of food, and then his condition improved. But fortunately, second time when he drank the diesel, it did not affect him. The narrator had taken out the diesel to kill the termites, khatmal. Okay, just some, are there questions in the chapter? तो है, one word questions are also there. I got him for her by accident. Who says this? Hello? Hello? My voice is audible? Hello? 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 Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
निशु नयन, आंसर करो. Nishu Nayan, who says this? I got him for her by accident.
Author.
Narrator या author. Narrator says this. Who do him and her refer to? Him
Sir
किसको?
said this.
Yes, Nishu. Hello. Him refers to. Who do him and her refer to? Nishu Nayan. बताओ. निशु नयन.
Yes, ma'am.
हिम और हर किसको रेफर करते हैं? किसको कहा गया है हिम और हर?
Refers to baby bear and her refers to author wife.
Yes, very good. What is the incident? Ayush Mehra. Ayush Mehra. Ayush, you can hear me? I can see your name in the participants. Ayush Mehra. Aniket Naini. Roll number 32. Aniket. Answer karo. What is the incident? Which incident is the? What is the incident referred to here?
Ma'am, may I answer?
Advit, okay,
Can I
Advit.
answer?
Right.
Advit,
Ma'am, may I?
okay, Advit. First, Advit.
Ma'am, the bear was shot down
Yes.
in the field.
Then the incident refers to the catching of baby bear.
Yes, yes. The incident refers to how the baby bear was caught. How the was caught. He stood on his head in delight. Who does he refer to?
Ma'am, Bruno.
One.
To the baby bear.
And he refers to baby bear.
Yes. Yes, Anushka Aditya, correct answer. He refers to the baby bear. Or you can write Bruno or Baba. Bruno was later on the narrator's wife changed the name from Bruno to Baba, Indian Hindustani name. Baby bear. Why was he delighted? Why was he happy?
Ma'am, baby was like
Baba
Baba was delighted to meet
after a long
to
time.
meet the
Wait,
wife of
Aditya Raj.
author.
Wait, Aditya Raj answer.
Ma'am, he was delighted. Ma'am, he was delighted to see the author's wife along a long time.
Yes, very good. He was delighted to see the author's wife after a long time, after 3 months. After 3 months, the narrator's wife came to visit him and he was very happy. We all missed him greatly, but in a sense, we were relieved.
We all stand for the narrator, his wife, his son, the
Family,
dog, and 10 children.
okay. The narrator's family and tenants' children. The narrators. Yes, Anushka, your answer is correct. The narrator's family and tenants' children. The narrator's family and who did they miss?
Baba.
They miss the baby bear.
The
Baba.
baby bear, Baba. बाबा भी लिख सकते हो, ब्रूनो भी लिख सकते हो. Why did they nevertheless feel relieved? मतलब मिस तो करते थे लेकिन रिलैक्स भी फील किए, क्यों?
Because Baba was troublesome and creature.
Inconvenient.
Ma'am,
Baba became bigger and he was inconvenient for him.
Very big and inconvenient.
yes, he.
They felt relieved because it was getting difficult to keep the baby bear at home.
Okay, this also you can write. It was difficult to keep the baby bear at home. It was inconvenient to keep him at home now. And mm, ये तो हम लोगों ने अभी डिस्कस कर ही लिया था. On 2 occasions, Bruno drank something that should not be eaten. Once he drank the diesel from the car, and once he ate the poison barium carbonate. What happened to him? In the first time when he ate the poison, he became paralyzed. Second time, it did not affect him at all. So, was Bruno a loving and playful pet? Why then did he have to be sent away? Because people
Ma'am,
use
because the tenant children were afraid for him.
Yes, the tenants' children were afraid for him, and usually people don't keep bears as pet, thinking that
Yes,
it
ma'am.
may be dangerous. ठीक है,
Yeah, ma'am.
ब्रूनो कभी किसी को नुकसान नहीं किया, लेकिन है तो वो एक एनिमल ही. He is a wild animal, and anytime he can become dangerous, maybe because of that fear also. How was the problem of what to do with Bruno finally solved? Finally, how was the problem?
Ma'am, Bruno was brought back from the zoo. A special island was made for him in the writer's compound. A
Yes,
dry pit was built around it. A wooden box was placed on the island, and Bruno would sleep in this box. Straw was placed inside the box to keep him warm.
yes, yes. You have to write how a new home was made for him.
Him in the
Problem was solved by
narrator's compound.
constructing a special island for Bruno. Uh, Even if you don't mention the width and length, it is all right. But you have to mention that a special island was constructed for Bruno, which was surrounded by a pit on all sides. A wooden box was given to him as a bed. Straw was placed in the wooden box. The narrator's wife used to visit him on the island with the help of a rope hanging to the mango tree. All these things you can write. So, okay, we have revised the chapter also. So I don't think you'll face any problem in tomorrow's
Some
class.
time is over now, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, I'm ending the class.
good day, ma'am.
You learn the word meanings also. Is it clear to all
Yeah,
of
ma'am.
you? Learn the word meanings also. Okay. Bye all of you. Best of luck.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Participants क्यों कम हो गया?
Bye, ma'am.